this is the most dangerous bridge I have ever seen in Eastern Central Africa. This is an extremely dangerous bridge. In fact, we've decided we are not going to record while stepping on the bridge. I'm going to show you just how dangerous this bridge is.
The government is playing some game in Europe. They are not going mzuri sana.
Yes.
This place is not safe.
I'm even scared.
We just take here 10 minutes to talk here.
To talk up with it. I don't like this situation. Yeah, tumalize hiki kitu.
Safety first. Hapo ukienda ni hivyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most dangerous bridge I have ever seen in Eastern Central Africa. This is an extremely dangerous bridge. In fact, we've decided we are not going to record while stepping on the bridge. I'm going to show you just how dangerous this bridge is. But before I show you that, I'd like Engineer Evans Kimori to just say a word.
In fact, to me, this is a gigantic tragedy of the highest proportion in the 21st century as far as safety is concerned. As you can see, that is the old bridge. Vehicles are avoiding this bridge. Come, let us have a look. They are avoiding this bridge. That is somehow called complete because it is not safe. They are passing through the old bridge because there is no barrier that the contractor on site could have installed this bridge. What the contractor could have done, he could have put a precast barrier as temporary measures to enhance safety. I'm imagining a pedestrian crossing this path. Supposedly, there is a catastrophic accident that could have happened here. The safety of the bridge is not engineering standard. That is the first failure. The second failure, when you look at the dense bituminous macadam that was installed here, even if anyone can drive along this road, Sukwala Bunja Road, the levels are not to engineering standards. I can satisfy as a trained engineer. This is shoddy work. So let's walk through. We cannot reach the center of the bridge. This is where the abutment of the bridge starts. We cannot reach there because it is quite unsafe. So President Ruto should be able to take full responsibility. So now you see. Look how unsafe this place is.
Hii ni bridge yenye hata mtu wa pikipiki akiteleza anaanguka kwa river Nzoia. You can see how big that river is. Extremely big. And it's a fast moving river.
Not only
and
that,
a very deep river.
It is moving with water has buoyancy. It can carry
even debris.
A lot of load. So I'm imagining anyone by mistake.
Anybody who falls here will die.
Here. It's a gone case.
So hata gari ikipia off the road inaanguka tu kwa maji.
This is another crime scene.
Because this is what I want to ask the contractor who was building this road. You've been paid 1.8 billion to pay this road. You just did this small repair because President Ruto was passing through this place to go to Opio and his homecoming. Why wouldn't you put a temporary precast guardrails on this barrier on this bridge before you do the guardrails? Kwa nini anawacha bridge open namna hii? Now the bridge can kill so many people. I think the kind of mediocrity and jokes that it is in our public works ministry and Ministry of Transport in terms of doing very shoddy work and work that cannot, be to any standard whatsoever is shocking and it's appalling. I don't know what my friend Joshua Ukaya wants to say. He can say something before
Ukaya says something. I want to add something that maybe Kenyans think we are lying. Before we leave here, we will record the newly constructed road that is just crossing the river for the president to be able to pass, and the other roads. Then as you move along the bridge, it is so imbalanced in terms of the levels are not to engineering standard. So anyone around the country can come and cross and check for himself. This is a crime scene. That's what we are talking about. Thank you.
Proceed.
As you guys were talking, I'm so sad because I'm looking around. And barabara mnasema imeongezwa ama imetengenezwa. I think it's just about 150 meters or 200. Na hapo waliweka kutudanganya. this place, and me, I'm not even looking at boda people of barabara. Mtu hapa mtoto anaweza cheza akiangalia hivi maji na I'm confused anaingia huko ndani.
Yeah.
This is like, this place is so risky even for us. Tuko hapa lakini we are just looking behind because we don't know what will happen next. Actually this thing, I'm not even sure how to do it. So honestly hapa ni wizi tu. Morara usema wizi bila kazi. Wizi bila kazi. Wizi bila kazi. Ruto is doing nothing. He's lying to us. He's launching projects ambazo haziko, and this
Na alipita hapa.
Na alisema ni how many billions?
Angalia 1.8 billion Kenya shillings. Look at the mixture of the bitumen.
Look, ni vitu zimekuja zikamwagwa. Yaani walifanya
Very
sikiaje
shoddy
wakamwaga.
and
Shoddy job.
useless work.
Look, you can record it there. Have you seen this?
It's a very dangerous bridge.
Mimi hata siwezi kurudia pale.
It's an extremely dangerous bridge. How do you build a bridge without guardrails in such a big river?
Of the strength of
Hii ni mchezo.
yes.
Even the cars here, they fear this bridge. Look at the road the cars are using. Wanatumia the old bridge.